No, I'm sorry. You're not going to get that.
If I don't get it, then
without proof.
It's going to be a problem. No, it's going to be a problem. The phone, man.
Damn, nigga, you called me whooping. Why you want to try to whoop with me, man? Where you at? Drop your pen.
I told you I'm in front of your crib.
I'm outside right now. Where you at?
All right, hold on. I'm finna call somebody.
What is up, you two, man? I'm back with again a part 2, bruh. Yeah, I said it. Part 2 with the voice changer, bruh. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the full video, man.
Hello, who am I speaking with?
The manager on shift at the White Castle in Plainfield.
Okay, when I came up there, I didn't get my food, so when I come back up there, I want my food, and I'm not bringing no receipt because I already lost it. So when I come up there, I want my food, and I'm coming up there at 7 o'clock. And I just want to know the manager's name.
Excuse me? You're going to have to tell me what the order is, and how did you end up leaving the location without your food?
Well, I had 100. I had 100 burgers, and I'm missing like 49. I don't know how that's possible. You guys messing up like that? That is crazy. So I'm coming back up there, and I want my 49 burgers. I'm coming at 7 o'clock.
No, I'm sorry. You're not going to get that.
If I don't get it, then
without proof.
It's going to be a problem. No, it's going to be a problem. I'm telling you now. There's the
You're
proof.
telling me that we gave you a box that was halfway full.
Yes, and that's
so
crazy.
We didn't give you 100 burgers. We gave you you only got 51 burgers.
No, I'm missing 49. How is that possible?
What time were you here today?
Oh.
Hey, folk, I need my bread, folk. Kai, I need my bread, bro. I know you got that prize pick money, bro. I need my bread, bro.
What's this?
I'll let you borrow $40, bro. Come on, man. Cash out that shit right. Cash out that shit right now. Bro, you broke? Nah, Kai.
Hello.
Hey, shorty, I need you to cash out my bread right now. Or when I see you in that black car, I'm flipping that shit, man. I don't give no fuck if you a car or anything. I'm flipping that bitch, boy. You gonna cash out my shit or what?
Whose goofy ass is this?
Why would you say that?
Shut your pussy ass up and cash out my shit, man.
Boy, who the fuck are you? I'm gonna send you something?
Chris, stop fucking playing with me, man.
No, I'm not worried about you, gang.
All right, where you at? Drop the low.
Where you at?
Okay, I'm in the J. What's up?
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Where you at?
I'll shoot your shit up, man. I'm parked in front of your crib right now.
Yeah, let me see.
I don't see that black car though. So what's up?
Let me see.
905, huh?
Let me see.
Man, cash on my shit, bro.
There's some goofy on my phone.
In this, man. I'm gonna have to get that reaction. Is this Chris again? Yeah. Hey, I ain't finna do all that woofing over the phone, man.
Damn, nigga, you called me whooping. Why you want to try to whoop with me?
I ain't trying to woof all that shit, man. I'm just trying to get my bread.
Bro, what's the word, man?
Bitch ass nigga.
Because you calling my phone. You call my phone, man. Where you at? Drop your pen.
I told you I'm in front of your crib, nigga. 905.
I was just all through the day. I
just told you I'm in front of your.
I ain't hear nothing.
I said I'm in front of your crib. Pull back up and you gonna see my shit, nigga.
You ain't in front of my shit, boy.
I don't see your car.
Using a fucking voice recorder. Not even his voice. Supposed to got a voice changer on his shit.
Shit, what's the word?
How you feeling?
That's your word?
Hello.
Hey, Andre, stop playing on my bitch, bro. I swear to God. If I see you with my bitch, I'm flipping any car you hop in. I swear to God, bro.
I'm in one right now. Where you at?
Where the fuck you at? Let me know.
Shit, I'm where you at?
I'm in front of your crib, nigga. You not here? You obviously not here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you finna spin back?
I'm outside right now. Where you at?
All right, hold on. I'm finna call somebody.
Got you.
Yo, Andre on business, yo.
I'm outside. Fuck on with you. I'm outside.
You was Alright, Joe, you not standing on business, bro.
Damn.
Well, that's the video.